All right, if you guys see my most recent video on the long format video here on YouTube, then you guys, I have told you and warned you what would happen here, right? So as you can see right here, this is a demand zone. This is a key area. And we bought off from here, and there was a gap that we were expecting, some play that we did here. And I was actually going over some trade here. And before all of this happened. And then after that, I've talked about how we were going to come back here and then reject off of here and go back again. Or I believe after we talked about this and this happened, I've mentioned here how you have your basically your inverse here, and then also you have fair value gap here, and then the price was going to come here and then give us rejection, which is what's happening. And then here's a quick trade we won today, but it aligned with our regular setup that we look for, which what I've told you when I told you this would happen. So actually this wasn't a regular setup that happened, but let me see. And today's Tuesday, by the way. So as you guys can see, we have Tokyo accumulated and then London accumulated as well. We didn't get a very good price action. But when this happened in New York, I did not want to trade here because we don't have our regular setup. And by now, you guys should know our regular setup. So when that didn't happen, because we have this major key that we waited for, this box, this inverse fair value gap kind of box that we had, we waited for price to come here, or at least we were expecting for price to come here. And this right here is when London ended. Not in London ended, this right here. This is when London was ending, and it swept the New York and the London, that cross sessions. And we took a trade here. We had a sniper entry, by the way, somewhere around here. And then when price gave us this, and it was weak momentum, when the momentum was dying off, we ended up take profit here because we entered a good lot size, as you guys can see on the screenshots. And because we have this major key area, we kind of sold off as well. That was the other reason. And then plus that's not a regular setup. We saw this being swept, and we ended up taking it with a good lot size. We were able to profit good. And then because this major key area was expecting for price to come here, it was best to sell it. And then now look what it's doing. You see, I even had this right here before the price came here. This is like way back. You probably will see it on the video. And it's kind of doing almost the same thing. So probably just a little bit, and then I don't think our TP would have been hit yet. Yeah, because price action haven't got hit here. But you get the idea. We talked about how price was going to come here and then reject off of here, which is what it's doing. And if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you on the next one.
I don't